Accountability is not a threat to leadership in Islam, it's the proof of it. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ showed us exactly why. He practically reminded us on how the amana of this leadership is a sacred trust from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anha, the first caliph of Islam, set the standards forever. He said, if I do right, help me. If I do wrong, correct me. He didn't silence people. He didn't correct people who were holding him accountable. The Ummah does not suffer because of lack of talent. It suffers because the lack of accountable leadership. We suffer from leadership that avoids questions with blame games. Leadership that demands loyalty but resists criticism is not prophetic. True Muslim leaders are not above the Ummah. They are answerable to it. If leadership follows the Sunnah, welcomes accountability with open heart and mind. The legacy of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and then Amir al-Mu'mineen Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anha is clear. Power without accountability, not leadership.